In front of me is VIVO V40 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and clicking on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Then tap on those three dots at the top right one. Hit Settings in the pop-up and adjust all of those under Alarms however you want to. Then go back and to create new alarm, use this plus icon at the bottom. Now you can adjust your alarm however you wish to. Over here, set up an hour. Then choose Repeat and pick days of the week. Save them by hitting OK. Now click on Alarm Sound. Tap on Add New at the top to pick any song from your smartphone by clicking on it. Click on Spotify to log in and use music from it, or select one of those melodies by clicking on a perfect one for you. Go back, click on this switcher next to Vibrate to turn it off or on. Select Label to name your alarm and OK to save its name. Then click on Snooze to decide how many minutes it will take. Finally, to save your new alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click on it, change whatever you want to and tap on the same check mark. To get rid of it, hold it and click on Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!